Hallo ihr liebe Leid, hier ist wieder der Yankee mit Let's Play The Walking Dead, die letzte Staffel auf Pelzig. So, da haben wir nur Clementines Wange und Nas, da ist der Arschstecker und der Arm, also bleibt uns nichts anderes übrig und ich nehme ihn sowieso. Wo mal was drauf ist.
Clementine? Really? It's like a name badge. It'll look good on your jacket.
Das ist goldig, das ist irgendwie goldig. Du hast Violets Anstecker, Zeichen der Freundschaft. Ich find's schä von ihr. Das ist echt
Hey,
gut.
Clem!
Ups. Und die Schnut kriegt.
Wow. Where did you find a beach ball? It was in some garbage behind one of the dorms. I had to blow it
Reizend.
up and that was pretty gross. But look, it works.
I should get going.
Gute Müllball.
Ruby could probably use some help.
Okay. Cool. Na dann.
It's cool, right?
Ja,
Super
schon.
cool.
Okay, dann spielen wir zurückwerfen, nicht ihn am Kopf treffen. Das ist fies. Spielen wir mal ein bisschen mit ihm.
You're terrible. Hey,
Schöner Moment irgendwie.
I love you, Clem.
I love you back, kiddo. Okay, we better get ready to go. Sounds like they need us in the music room.
Ach Mann.
Okay.
Es gibt auch hin und wieder mal schöne Momente, ja. Und wenn, dann sind die bei The Walking Dead ziemlich intensiv, die schönen Momente. Ziemlich emotional die Folge hier, die dritte. Okay, die machen hier wirklich ihr
Looks like things
Party.
are coming together.
Yeah,
Okay.
we still need to figure out lighting, music, and something to write on that banner.
If we're gonna die, we should have some fun first.
Ja, richtig.
Music? But Lewis isn't here.
See that? It's like Lewis in a box. Come on, I'll show you how it works.
Ja, komm.
Are we using the banner for some kind of party theme?
Not exactly. It's meant to be more motivational. I'd keep it short, though. There's not as much room as you think. I was thinking something uplifting, like, we're gonna get through this.
Er muss eventuell auch ohne uns
Just
zurechtkommen. Das ist
try
das
and
Schlimme an
instill
der
some
Sache, dass die
confidence, you know?
Option besteht.
AJ, why don't you come up with something?
Deswegen
Really?
I have an idea. It'll be a surprise.
machen wir es mal so. Ja, sie traut ihm
Promise not
nicht
to
so.
swear all over it.
Okay, we'll have Tin break out his paintbrush and write it out.
So you
Okay.
take one of those black things that look like plates and you put it on here.
And then it plays music?
Alter,
And now you
Grammophon.
just have to turn that crank on the side.
Großartig. Ich
Oh, that's
liebe
really cool.
alte Grammophone. Das habe ich bisher in jedem Spiel auch gesagt, wo es welche gab. In Layers of Fear gab es welche. Bei Call of Cthulhu hatten wir welche und hier in The Walking Dead jetzt auch.
Pulled out the old headmaster's gramophone so he could play some records.
Sehr schön.
Not much of a
Stil hat er
selection,
wenigstens
but
gehabt.
it should do.
Was
Just
gut
tell me what you
kommt
want to listen to.
für
Wouldn't happen to
Party
have any good jazz records, would you?
ist immer Jazz.
Oh, yeah. The old music teacher was a big fan. Pretty cool guy up until he ditched us all.
Tja,
What's jazz sound like?
That one's hard to describe. Just wait till you hear it.
ja. Dann bleibt nur noch das hier übrig. Country finde ich jetzt etwas urarg gebraucht. Und Klassik verleiht dem Ganzen viel zu edle Note, die der Situation auch nicht gerade entsprechen wird.
Wouldn't be a party without some kind of mood lighting.
Ja.
I've been going back and forth
Ich bin
between colors
eigentlich
for
ein
ages.
großer Fan
Green's
von
calming, but
Violett.
Purple might be
Bin ich
nice.
irgendwie der einzigste Typ, der
Wouldn't get
Violett
natural
mag, habe ich also das
moonlight,
Gefühl.
so
Deswegen
something to complement that, maybe.
ist mir lieber als Rot und Grün. Ich nehme Violett.
Purple was my dad's favorite color.
I
Ah,
read somewhere purple was
Noch
a
ein
color
Mann,
of
der's mag.
royalty.
Purple. Really?
What? I like purple.
Shouldn't you like it too? Violet? I'll make it happen. This place is gonna look great.
Okay. Ja, Ruby hat sich dann doch wirklich als echt nettes Mädel
He's up in
herausgestellt.
Marlon's office. He said he had a surprise for the party, but he wanted to show it to you first.
Okay. Okay, dann gehen wir halt zum Hill Willy. Ich musste immer dran denken bei The Simpsons mit Restaurant Dim Willys. Und dann die Lisa nur dazu.
Clem, check it
Igitt.
out. I found a bunch of books on ships.
Okay.
There's some awesome stuff about fires at sea and explosions and stuff.
Oh je.
Key is the boiler.
Wait, what are you talking about?
I have an idea about how to stop those assholes coming back to the school after we've rescued the others. And from hurting anyone else ever again.
Der will sie alle mit dem
We're
Schiff
gonna
in die
blow up the
Luft jagen. Ja.
It's the only way to make sure they don't come back.
Schwend ist
feels
toll,
right,
ja,
you
das
know?
stimmt.
For Mitch.
I don't want to discourage you, but we're gonna be on that boat to rescue the others. Please, don't get us killed.
What? No! I mean, yeah, I still have a few details to work
Der
out.
denkt
but
nicht
don't worry.
nach.
I'll make sure there's time for you to get off the boat before she explodes.
Der hat kein Grips, der Clay.
This'll work. We'll be okay.
Der sieht es aus der Aare von einem Kind. Der
And,
durchdenkt das nicht.
Clem, I'm sorry for before. About how he treated Ten. I didn't mean to get so angry. I know it's not his fault.
Und sag's ihm
That's
bitte.
nice, Willie, but don't tell me. Tell Ten.
Ganz genau. Sag's ihm. Und der Clay, der denkt mal viel zu wenig nach. Mag er an seinem Alter liegen. Okay. Rosie? No. Fuck you, Raiders, hat er draufgeschrieben auf die Bombe. Als Entschuldigung.
Wow, this looks great, Ruby.
Couldn't have done it without you.
Überraschung, ihr Idioten.
Just wait till you see what else I've got planned. Go ahead and mingle. I'll let you know when it's time.
I guess I'll mingle.
Okay.
I
So.
see you two are working together.
Yeah, Willie asked me to help with his special project.
Well, that's good to hear. Is it ready?
Good to go, Clem.
It'll work.
Actually, I was thinking maybe we should name it. Something cool. I mean, I think it deserves a name. All
Ja,
the best
komm,
bombs have names.
komm.
Yeah, we absolutely have to name it.
I thought you'd make fun of me, but hell yeah. Let's name this fucker.
Rubys Rache, Mitchs Meisterwerk. So nennen wir's.
How about Mitch's masterpiece?
Yeah, I like that.
Sie werden sich das
Mitch would have
merken.
too.
Ja.
Okay, then it's settled.
Im Art denke an ihn, ja. Machen wir das so.
I found them.
Achtung, was hat sie jetzt?
Okay, Clementine. These here are our official Erickson psych evaluations and probationary reports.
Okay.
I don't get it.
Well, these explain why all of us got sent to this school in the first place.
Die
And all
Akte.
the bad shit we did that kept them from sending us back home.
Ob das eine gute Idee
So
ist?
what's the game?
I figured if we're all going on this crazy mission together, we might as well know who we really are. So, I'll read some of what the adults thought about us. And you have to guess which one of us fits the bill.
Ah je.
I'll make sure it's someone you've actually met. This'll be the first one. While otherwise a remarkable student, blank continues to be plagued by fits of anger, uncontrollable cursing, and repeated physical altercations with the senior faculty.
Ich denke, das wird Willi sein. Okay. Wutafäller. Seid ihr alle? Das ist blöd. Marlon vielleicht?
Well,
Not to speak ill of the dead, but that sounds exactly like Marlon.
You'd think so, but nope.
Ist es sie?
Really? The person in the file? Imagine Marlon times another Marlon.
That's Ruby's file.
Holy shit,
Oh,
really?
Guilty as charged.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
You should have seen Ruby back in the early days.
Oh
She was
je.
like you ever seen those Tasmanian devil cartoons when you were a kid? That was our Ruby. He used to have a mean streak a mile long.
Ups.
Don't worry. That was a long time ago.
Ja,
I mean,
offensichtlich.
I can totally see it. The first time I met Ruby, she was all, that little motherfucker.
I said I was sorry.
You guys want to know why I got sent here?
Willie, please, no.
Chronic masturbation.
Yeah.
Trust me. Nobody wanted to know that.
Richtig.
What does that mean?
Dass er sich ständig in der
Ah,
Kobel
don't you
tot.
dare.
Bring's ihm auch nicht bei. Der Blick.
Anyway, maybe we should change up the music?
I like all kind of different music, I think.
There's a lot of them.
How many?
Okay,
I don't
dann.
know. A lot.
Weißt du
Sure,
was?
we've heard enough of this. Throw some country on.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
Natürlich steht der Hillbilly drauf. War ja logisch. Das klingt aber schon fast wie Old-Style Rock'n'Roll.
I didn't realize how many of us we lost.
Oh je.
Remember that Justin guy?
And Theresa and Jasper. That one girl with colored braces. And Joey, Maddie, Lamar.
Wow.
Aaron. Yeah, I used to make fun of her braces. Why did I do that?
Saumäßig
Alex,
viel auch schon verloren.
Joey, Trey, Stephanie. Holy crap, how many of us died?
34.
Oh, scheiße. 34 Kinder schon gestorben. Ist das heftig. Alter Latz. Das ist natürlich eine
Whose is
Bilanz.
it?
Lewis.
Should we read it?
I could tell you why I was sent here instead. You know, as a consolation prize or whatever. You might hate me after, but since we're all being so open and all.
Na dann. Nur auf eigene
I
Anlass.
was hoping you'd tell me.
I spent a lot of time at my grandma's house growing up. What with my dad being a drunk and my mom working 3 jobs. But after my grandpa died, Grandma just kind of shut down. Spent all day and night rocking in her little chair, then I'd sit there at her feet as we both watched TV. Mostly cartoons, since she never seemed to care. Sometimes I could hear her crying, but I didn't look back. I'd just feel really weird and turn up the volume, you know? Anyway, one day she left the den and came back with another chair and a .22 rifle. Set the rifle butt on the top of the chair, holding the barrel back to her chest. So, you know, she had trouble reaching the trigger this way, but she must have known it would happen. Because she took out this really tacky wooden back scratcher. The real long kind with the one end shaped like a hand. And, used that to push the trigger.
Ach du Scheiße.
So yeah, bang. Right. Her body folded up and just kept rocking.
Uh,
My mom came to get me 5 hours later. I hadn't moved. She asked why I didn't call the police or an ambulance or anything. I just shrugged and told her it wasn't like Grandma was going anywhere. And besides, I just wanted to finish my cartoons.
heilige Scheiße.
She shipped me off to Erickson the next day. I was 11.
Ach du liebe Zeit. Gott.
So sorry, Violet. I can't imagine what that was like. What you went through.
It's fine. We've just been through a lot of shit. We weren't good people, Clementine. But it still doesn't mean that we should have been left here to die by the people that were supposed to take care of us.
Sorry. This is supposed to be fun.
Ja.
I'm just not the game type, like Lewis was, I guess.
You mean is. We'll see him soon.
Ten's right.
Hey, I've got an idea. Do you guys remember when Minnie would sing us Don't Be Afraid when all of us used to get scared?
Too bad I can't play it. Lou would have known how. He liked that one.
You could just sing it to us, like she used to. Your voice is really pretty.
Okay. Okay, yeah. Alright, I can do that. Never mind the darkness. Never mind the storm. Never mind the blood-red moon. The night will be over soon. The night will be over soon. Brush away the sorrow. Brush away the tears. Sing away your heavy heart. The night will be over soon. The night will be over soon.
Schönes
For
Lied.
every night
Aber
goes quiet.
Die Übersetzung ohne ist Müll.
And every moon grows blue. Beyond the dark comes something new. The sun will be rising soon. The sun will be rising soon. The sun will be rising soon.
Okay. Wow. Da musste ich gerade auch ein bisschen mit Klos kämpfen. Shake-Zunge war es schon, ja. Aber wie gesagt, die Übersetzung war leider Müll. Und ich denke, da sind wir jetzt exakt im letzten Akt wohl drin. Trophäe erhalten in Kupfer Nachtlicht. Ich denke, jetzt geht's zum Angriff, aber jetzt wird die ganze Sache richtig ernst. Rückblende mit dem Zug, wo Lee ihr die Haare geschnitten hat und ihr beigebracht hat zu schießen. Oh, jetzt kommt Lee auch noch dazu hier.
Hey, Sweet Pea.
Lee?
Der alte Stimme auch noch. Ich
Why the
hätte
train?
so
Pick the train.
gern länger gespielt, den
I'm not
Charakter.
sure. Maybe because this is where it all started. Where you taught me to shoot and to cut my hair. To be ready for what was coming.
You were a quick study. So, what's on your mind this time?
I'm worried, Lee. I've got a lot of people depending on me, and I don't know if what I'm doing is right.
Oh, I know that feeling. You know, I was, making it all up as I went along, right? Couldn't let on, of course. With you being so little.
I don't think you were fooling anyone.
Hey!
Don't feel bad. Monsters took over the world, and you got stuck taking care of an 8-year-old girl. What were you supposed to do?
I guess I let it show a little, huh? You want to tell me about what you're up against?
I'm with a new group now, and I've been in so many, and they always fall apart. But I really like this one. It's different. It almost feels like home.
That's a good thing. It's hard being alone out there.
But we're in trouble. Some bad people captured my friends, and getting them back might get the rest of us killed.
I'm not worried.
What?
Whatever trouble you're in, you get out of it. You get your friends out of it.
You don't know that.
I know you're a survivor. The Clementine I know is gonna fix it. I really believe that.
You're right. I just needed to hear you say it. I'm going to get my friends out of this. Every one of them. Alive.
That's right. Imagine what Lewis is gonna say when he sees your face. Those boys are gonna have hope again, knowing that you came to rescue them. Oh, Sweet Pea, you know you always get like this before something big. Remember how scared you were before you charged into that mess at McCarroll Ranch? You survived that, didn't you?
That was different. I was alone.
I know. It's harder when you have something to lose. But having people you care about, that's a good thing. They're fighting beside you. Because of you. Come see me again when you've gotten them out, okay? Out and safe. Sound good? And hopefully we can talk about happier things. If you know of any.
Lee, I miss you so much. I wish you were really here.
I miss you too, Clementine. But we'll have to make do with pretending.
Thank you, Lee. Talking to you always makes me feel a little bit better.
I meant to ask, how's the boy?
He's good, Lee. You'd like him.
I bet. You teach him to shoot yet?
You have no idea.
I guess the world got pretty hard since I left it. A kid growing up in it, he'd be hard too. You're in my shoes now, raising a kid. Think you got a handle on it? It can't be easy. Wanting to give him a childhood, but knowing what it takes to survive now. It was easier for me since the world was just changing. But you're living in one that's changed completely.
Richtig.
You doing okay?
Oh my god, Lee. AJ's trouble sometimes. You wouldn't believe it. And he has no idea. He's growing up too fast.
Sounds like someone else I know. Wow. Just look at you. Just look at you. This group you like, they better not live in the city. You know, I told you to avoid those.
They don't. No one goes into the cities anymore. It's an old boarding school in the woods, miles from anywhere, with no adults at all.
No adults?
It works, I promise.
Time to go, Clementine. You've got people that need you.
Goodbye, Lee.
Puh.
Clem, wake up. It's time to go.
Es mag zwar Zeit sein, loszugehen, aber ich brauche jetzt erst einen Moment, ihr liebe Leid. Und an der Stelle mache ich meinen Cut. Das hat mich gerade auch etwas mehr mitgenommen, als ich gedacht habe. Und wir sehen uns dann übermorgen wieder zu Let's Play The Walking Dead, die letzte Staffel auf Pelzig. Machen's gut bis du hier. Ayan. Yankee.